Should you rent out your house or sell it? Short-term rentals have gained popularity in recent years, and if you're looking to make a move, you may have considered converting your house into a rental instead of selling it. Though earning passive income from renting out your home may sound appealing, being a landlord is time-consuming. Here are a few of the challenges you could face if you rent out your house as a short-term rental instead of selling it. Successfully managing your house as a rental takes a lot of time and effort. Managing reservations and guests can be a hassle, and the cleaning, landscaping, and maintenance for a rental requires constant upkeep. In addition, you've got to consider how any regulations may affect your ability to convert your home. Think through your willingness to make the level of commitment. If you're not ready for the work it takes, it might be wiser to sell instead. Plus, selling your home can provide a lump sum of money that can be invested in other ventures or used to purchase your next home. Let's connect and discuss how you might benefit more by selling your house. Call, text 916-708-3851, Pearl Ruby.